Her mother and her 5 daughters have since been rendered homeless and restless by the heavy rain that fell some few weeks ago in Matogun area of Ogun State. While many residents of the community endure the terrible roads and poor social amenities of the rural area, 47-year-old Taiwo and her daughters said they have had to suffer even more after they lost their home to a heavy rain. According to the mother, they have been living in the house for 10 years before the sad incident. Shelter is one of the basic human needs. It is required for protection. Home provides security, control, belonging, identity, and privacy. Support us to help Mrs. Taiwo put an end to this sordid homelessness.
I can still see you illuminate all my skies when it feels like I've fallen too far from you. They are guiding me through. Whenever I feel down, you can lift me up, turning my life around.